Sir, you have just joined. Can you please remove the mask for a few minutes? Sir, you have just joined as the airport director. When you have joined, what are the plans? What do you want to say to them?
My name is Dhananjaya Rao. I joined on 9th June here. Our plans are to facilitate the passengers in a better way, to improve the facilitation, and taking all the COVID protocols recently which are in force.
So there was a recent notification by civil aviation or that masks have become compulsory for passengers. What do you want to say on that?
Yes, as per the guidelines from the DGCA, mask is compulsory now for all the passengers and persons who are working in the terminal building.
So, considering the rising cases of COVID, any steps here in the airport?
Yes, already measures are in place, like automatic hand sanitizers, thermal screeners, and the announcements regarding the maintenance of protocols, COVID protocols, are being done regularly. And we are doing the display also on FIDA, our screens. All these guidelines are being displayed for the information of the passengers and others.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So now, basically, it is a message for everybody coming on the airport that they have to compulsorily wear masks.
They have to, compulsorily they have to wear the mask.
Okay, sir.
It's for the benefit of everyone, and as well as the person traveling themselves.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.